Welcome to this Reiki session of restoring your personal power and creating boundaries. If you are here, I trust that this is for you. And if you are willing, open, and able to receive, comment yes to receive. And then we'll go ahead and get started. No need to get in a meditative state or anything. Just kick back, relax, and trust that this time is for you. Okay. Boundaries and personal power. They can be one and the same. When your boundaries are being crossed or when you are allowing your boundaries to be crossed for people pleasing and you're healing that or whatever reason, these can really go hand in hand. So I felt really called to put these together. So go ahead and take in a deep breath. If you haven't commented yes to receive, go ahead and comment now and release. Take in another deep breath. And release. And we're going to start with the first healing frequency on your solar plexus. Your solar plexus is your power center. I love working on the solar plexus. Just going to share with you some information throughout. We are burning away anything that is, I'm hearing the word cage, that is caging you from being able to fully express your power. Which, speaking of express, I'm also, not always, I'm also going to be adding in a healing frequency on your throat chakra as well. I'll tell you why in just a moment. Taking another deep breath and release. This is burning away, incinerating anything standing in your way from your personal power, just really owning it. Your solar plexus is your power center. It is a great one to work on to ignite confidence, to ignite power, to ignite conviction. It's also a direct connection to your mind. So if you are someone that struggles with what I'm seeing is, so I'm going to tell you anything that I see, hear, feel, and experience. If you're new here, hi, hello, my psychic abilities come in hot when we are doing healing sessions. So what I see is those little tiny rubber bouncy balls. It's kind of like boing, 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 boing. So if you're someone that struggles with your mind kind of being like a bouncy ball, like boing here, 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 solar plexus is a great one to work on because it's directly connected to your mind. This is also great if you are someone that struggles with limiting beliefs, self-doubt, anything that's like inhibiting you from stepping into your confidence and your personal power. Solar plexus is great. This is when I went through my spiritual awakening. This was the first chakra that I really anchored into. Taking another deep breath. Feeling called to ask you if you are fully into your power, if you are really owning your confidence, what would you do? Put it in the comments below. If you are anchored into your personal power and you are fully owning your confidence, what would you do? Feeling some movement in the heart chakra, just breathe into that area for me. Taking a deep breath. Breath right to your heart. And as you exhale, imagine anything that's stagnant or stuck coming out. Now that you know that thing that you would do, here's what I want you to ask yourself next. This is a great journaling prompt, but you can also put it in the comment section and let us and our community hold you accountable. What is one thing that will feel good to have done and is possible to do that will get you closer to what it is that you desire to do? It's not about going 0 to 100. It's about the momentum that you create along the way. It's about moving regardless of the fear that you're feeling. Taking another deep breath. This healing frequency does also can also increase your body temperature. It can feel warm. So if you're feeling warm hot, or you're like, feeling like you need to take a hoodie off or something. Normal. Also normal if you don't feel it. Everybody experiences it differently. No two sessions are ever the same. No two people are ever the exact same. It is really, even when I'm using the same frequency, really depends on you and what it is that you're going through, what it is that you need right now. And even though I'm very focused on your solar plexus, you might be feeling this somewhere else in your body or in your energetic field. Also normal. Okay. So you're like, I don't feel it in my solar plexus, but maybe you're feeling it in your knee or something. No, normal. That's where you need it. Okay. Taking another deep breath, and let's activate on your throat chakra. I love this healing frequency. It bridges the lower and the higher chakras together, really helping you live in authenticity from your heart, from your power, from your creativity, while you're anchored into you. Heart, solar plexus, sacral, root. Take another deep breath. And as you are anchoring into your personal power, you also get to set boundaries. Now, this could be a whole masterclass on people pleasing and healing, clearing, releasing people pleasing tendencies. And sometimes, even when you've done the work, sometimes it still comes up. I'm human too. I'm having a human experience. And sometimes this is something I still come back to time and time again. But it gets easier. It kind of knocks at your door and be like, oh, yeah, you remember that thing with the boundaries? What you can do about it? Get another deep breath. Speak your truth. Honor your truth. Honor your boundaries. Honor your power through speaking your truths. Honor your power through living authentic to you. That is your power. Make sure you continue to breathe. Any sensations you are feeling in your body, go ahead and breathe into them. Do not run from them. The style of Reiki that I'm using is called Quantum Illumination Reiki. This is the newest, most powerful style of Reiki to date. This heals at not just a physical, conscious, and energetic level like traditional styles do, and they also heal at 3.5D to 4.5D max. With Quantum Illumination Reiki, we're healing at 5D plus frequencies within the energy of the quantum field, as well as, yes, the physical, conscious, and energetic level, but we're also taking it to a subconscious, cellular, and a DNA level. How do we know it's working at a subconscious level? Because with traditional styles of Reiki, you have to coach clients through their limiting beliefs or the things that have been coming up, whether it's patterns, cycles, emotion situations, and sometimes we just love the human connection too with Quantum Illumination Reiki. Like, I love to be able to support my clients in any way I can. With Quantum Illumination Reiki, we're working at that subconscious level. We know this because those patterns become illuminated. It takes the subconscious, flips it to the conscious. So now you're aware of it. So those aha moments of synchronicities, the awareness, the clarity that drops in, the downloads that will happen, that's all part of Quantum Illumination Reiki. And it's your job now to pay attention to the thought patterns that come up, to pay attention to all those things that I just mentioned. We're also healing at the root of the issues. We're not dinking around anymore. We are literally getting to the root and we are pulling it out, but in a way that's soothing to the nervous system. So even though we're using very high frequencies, this is not going to cause you to go into some like purge, or they call it like the Reiki flu, which I don't know if you've experienced before, but I absolutely have many, many, many times, and can be a lot. Quantum Illumination Reiki won't do that. Go ahead and take in another deep breath. Thank you so much for being here today. I'm so grateful for you. Make sure you subscribe and then check out the other videos on my channel too. I have a full like library folder, whatever they're called, of other healing videos also about quantum illumination Reiki. Go check those out too. And if you want to learn and get trained in quantum illumination Reiki, it is now a certification program, 3-level program where you can get trained in the newest style of Reiki to date. Go ahead and take in a deep breath. All you have to do is check out the description section. You can shoot me a message on Instagram. If you're not on Instagram, hit me up an email and let's have a conversation about our certification program, how it can support you, your goals. I'll give you all the information about it. And you can join our upcoming classes. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon.